Welcome to the ECOA Automation Core, where data is flowing efficiently. Precision perfected, all sensors online, everything under control. Pressure anomaly, power is leaking from the main pipeline. Logical binding activated, executing strategy 1. Starting the backup pump. Response successful. Pressure is rising. Oops, we're offline. But don't worry, all data has been cached. Network restored. Data transmission during the network outage has automatically resumed and completed with complete records. Whether it's multi-regional control or unexpected failure, smart technology is always one step ahead in safeguarding.